This brief tutorial will show you how to use collapsible text on your Google site. So a collapsible text box has an arrow that allows you to show and hide text at different times. So on the right-hand side, I see Insert, and then underneath the Layouts menu, the first option I see is collapsible text. If I double-click it or single-click it, I should get a collapsible text box. Now there's a toggle switch here to turn that on or off. I'm going to leave this turned on. It's blue when it's on. So I'll say this is the header. You'll notice you can change certain things about the header. You can make it a title, size, font. You can center the text if you'd like. Now, inside of this box below it is where the text that shows and hides will go. So anything that's in this box, I'll also center this. I'll say this can be hidden. You can show this text if you click the arrow. You'll see an arrow to the right-hand side that lets you show and hide the text. While you're in this view, it can be a little odd to click through, but when we publish our site, let's go ahead and publish. When we publish our site, we can see that there's an arrow that by default hides the text, and when you click it, it expands. The help text underneath my mouse says collapse. It also says expand when I hover my mouse over that arrow. How could you use this? Well, you could use it similar to how flashcards work. It's not the optimal solution for flashcards. There are other sites out there, but let's say we're making a Spanish site and we want to say, how do you say cat? And here we can say gato. And when we publish, now our site, give it 1 second. There we go. It says, how do you say cat? And when I click the arrow, the answer is underneath. So maybe your students can review some of their work. This is just one idea of how to use collapsible text.